Hello, today we will talk about how to install your email address for the first time in Outlook. Okay, let's get started. If you have the icon Outlook on your desktop, as it shows here, just double click on it and it will open. If not, go to Start, click on it. You can also write directly Outlook and it will appear. Press Enter. You can see this window and place your email address inside this bar and press Connect. It will ask for your password and press Enter or press on Sign In. Okay, account has been added. If you want to add another account, place the email address here and press Next. Same steps, password, and again. Remove this mark, set up Outlook mobile on my phone, because this is only if you want to set up also on your telephone, and it will send you a link to connect it and download the application on your telephone. Press Done. And there you are. Welcome to Outlook.